All right, hello everybody. You have made it to our first small assessment. So this video is going to be like 3 minutes long. After you watch this video, you'll go answer a couple questions that is technically an assessment, but it'll give you your score back right away. So today our first topic is going to be heart rate zones. We touched on it a little bit last week, but we're going to go more into it so that you guys kind of know what the point of the zones are and point of using the heart rate monitor is. So the heart rate monitors that we use are from Polar Fitness. All right, so we're going to watch this video first, and she's going to kind of go through each of the zones and explain it a little more to you. All right, so as you saw there are these different zones here. The gray one is going to be the one that as soon as you put your heart rate monitor on, you're going to be in gray. So up on my iPad, it'll have your name and you'll be in gray. That's when we're not really moving around. You could be doing that for hours. You can stay in the gray zone. All right, and then we're going to go up to our blue zone, which is our light intensity exercise. You can see here the different benefits. You're going to need to know those. Okay, so refer back to this video for your small assessment. Okay, and then our green and our orange, this is where we're going to start trying to be during our workouts at school. So your green one, you could probably stay in it from like 10 to 40 minutes. Okay, nice, easy pace. We get up to that yellow or orange zone. It's going to be like 2 to 10 minutes. And if we get all the way up to that red, that's something you can literally only do for less than 5 minutes. It is max effort. It is like sprinting as hard as you can if you're going to be in that red zone there. All right, so as you can see, again, lots of benefits here. Check them out. We'll talk about them more in class. So now your only thing to do is go complete the short heart rate zones assessment by Sunday, and then we'll see you in class.